A recent ruling has brought us one step closer to a potential resolution in the high-profile antitrust lawsuit between 23XI, Front Row Motorsports, and NASCAR. The ruling, delivered on Tuesday, has clarified the market definition of premier stock car racing, a critical aspect of the case that has been a point of intense debate. According to Bob Pockrass of Fox Sports, Judge Kenneth Bell has granted a summary judgment on this market definition. This means that IndyCar and F1 cannot be considered as alternative markets if teams disagree with NASCAR's terms. As a result, the scope of the claim made by 23XI and FRM has become more focused, bringing NASCAR closer to the definition of a true monopoly. However, it is important to note that a jury will have the final say on this matter if the case proceeds to trial. Jeff Gluck, a journalist from The Athletic, reacted to this news, emphasizing the urgency for NASCAR to find a resolution. He highlighted that this ruling means NASCAR cannot argue that teams have other options, such as IndyCar or F1, if they are unhappy with NASCAR's terms. The jury, if the case goes to trial, will decide whether NASCAR is a monopoly within this narrower market definition. A legal filing provided by Pockrass offers further insight into the judge's ruling. It challenges NASCAR's argument that other motorsports, like IndyCar and F1, are readily available substitutes for Cup Series teams. The filing states that it is illogical, and there is no evidence to support the idea that racing teams can only move from NASCAR to another motorsport and not the other way around. Additionally, Judge Bell's clarification of the market definition was based on NASCAR's own counterclaim, which described the market as the market for entry of cars into NASCAR Cup Series races in the United States and any other location where a Cup Series race is held. Pockrass also noted that Judge Bell denied NASCAR's motion for summary judgment to dismiss the case, keeping the lawsuit active and moving forward. This ruling has certainly added fuel to the fire and has the potential to shape the outcome of this ongoing legal battle. It will be interesting to see how NASCAR responds and if a settlement can be reached, avoiding a trial that could have far-reaching implications for the sport.